2023 IBSLAA Maths Paper, Paper 1, Question 2. The function f is defined by f of x equals 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4. X is real and x does not equal 2. Part A, find the 0 of f of x. So at the 0 of f of x, that means that f of x equals 0. So you're just solving 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4 equals 0. The bottom of a fraction cannot equal 0, so you're just solving 7x plus 7 equals 0. 7x equals minus 7, so x equals minus 1. Part B, for the graph of y equals f of x, write down the equation of part 1, the vertical asymptote. So part 1, the vertical asymptote, the equation of the vertical is always x equals some value, and it's always the value of x that would make the denominator of the fraction equal 0. So in this case, we have 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4 is f of x. So the x value that will make the denominator equal 0 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So that means the equation of the asymptote, the vertical asymptote, is x equals 2. And then part 2 of B, the horizontal asymptote. So again, we're dealing with f of x is 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4, which is the same as y equals 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4. For horizontal asymptotes, the equation is always y equals some value. And the way you find the equation of the horizontal asymptote is you say what will happen to y as x approaches either positive or negative infinity. So we'll deal with positive infinity first. So as x approaches positive infinity, y approaches 7 multiplied by infinity plus 7 over 2 multiplied by infinity minus 4. So when you're dealing with infinity, if you're adding or subtracting a constant to it, then it really makes no difference. It's insignificant. So what that means is this will simplify to 7 times infinity, and then you ignore the 7 because adding 7 to infinity is really insignificant, over 2 multiplied by infinity, and again you ignore the minus 4 because subtracting 4 from infinity again is insignificant. But because you have because you have 7 infinity over 2 infinity, the infinities cancel. So you have y approaching 7 over 2. So that would be the equation of the horizontal asymptote, is that y equals 7 over 2. And also we'll check this with as x, we'll check to see what happens to the y value as x approaches negative infinity. So as x approaches minus infinity, y approaches 7 multiplied by minus infinity plus 7 over 2 multiplied by minus infinity minus 4. And again, the plus 7 and the minus 4 in the numerator and the denominator are both insignificant. So y approaches 7 multiplied by minus infinity over 2 multiplied by minus infinity. And again, minus infinity over minus infinity cancels. So y approaches 7 over 2. So again, we're left with the same solution. Y equals 7 over 2. Okay, so part C of the question, find f minus 1x, the inverse function of f of x. Okay, so C f of x equals 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4. And to find the inverse of a function, the first thing you do is you say let y equal 7x plus 7 over 2x minus 4. Then you replace y's with x's and x's with y's. So that gives you x equals 7y plus 7 over 2y minus 4. And then the next stage is you make y the subject. So we'll multiply the left-hand side by 2y minus 4. So x brackets 2y minus 4 equals 7y plus 7. Multiply out this bracket. 2xy minus 4x equals 7y plus 7. Get all of the y's on the same side. So 2xy minus 7y equals 7 plus 4x. Factorize the left-hand side by taking out y as a common factor. So y bracket 2x minus 7 equals 7 plus 4x. And then finally divide by 2x minus 7. So y is 7 plus 4x over 2x minus 7. And rewrite using f to the minus 1x instead of y. So f to the minus 1x equals 7 plus 4x over 2x minus 7. And that is your inverse function. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.